Hello everyone, hope you're well. Today I will be working on these beautiful clear quartz pieces. They came to me as they are, natural, untouched. I am thinking I'll be making necklaces. Probably will be doing a little groove up here so that I can attach the wire. Or maybe I'll do them on the other side. That side. Anyway, let's get to it. I'll fast forward the video later so you don't get bored. Okay, this is what it will look like. I came up with this design. I used silver plated copper wire, and that's what it will look like with the cord as a nice pendant. Beautiful. I will show you how I did it. I pretty much grabbed my wire, cut it to pieces, two pieces, folded it, and we'll tighten on from both sides, twist it on, make it very nice and secure, very clean. Then twist the top together and use my pliers, my wire bending pliers, to make a nice loop. Again, twist it around. Take some time, but it will end up looking amazing. Very secure and very elegant. Now off to finish the other ones, and I'll meet you guys back to show you how I do the knots on the cord. Here we are again. Very simple with the cord. I loop it through and then I do 2 sliding knots at the top, just like that. Make them nice and firm. Just same on the other side. And in the end I burn the ends so they seal forever. Just wanted to say as well at this stage, thank you so much for watching and supporting us. I hope you enjoyed this how-to video and a bit of a day in the life at our crystal jewelry workshop. Let me know if you liked what you saw in the comments, and see you all next time. Love you guys. Bye.